Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best 8x8 baking pans is probably one of the most essential items in any kitchen, offering unparalleled convenience for baking, roasting, and storing your culinary creations, making them a versatile tool for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Number 5. Stock your home 9x13 aluminum pans with lids. Introducing our 9x13 aluminum pans with lids, perfect for all your cooking needs. From baking and grilling to storing and prepping, these are your go-to solution. Get your grill ready for the ultimate barbecue experience. These pans are perfect for baking, grilling, roasting, and preserving your favorite foods. Made from premium, recyclable aluminum, these pans are built to last. Enjoy hassle-free cleanup as you can simply toss them when you're done. This value pack includes 25 pans and 25 lids, offering great convenience and affordability. They are perfectly sized for all your culinary creations. These premium pans are not only eco-friendly but also dishwasher, oven, and freezer safe. Experience quality and convenience in your kitchen. Don't miss out on this essential kitchen tool. Order your set of aluminum pans with lids today and simplify your cooking and storage needs. What we like. These pans are perfect for large gatherings and catering events. Their disposable nature means no cleanup, and they come with lids for easy transport. If you're running a food business or hosting a big party, these are a fantastic choice for convenience and value. What people say. These pans are sturdy and hold their shape well, even when filled with heavy food. The lids fit snugly, preventing spills during transport. They are great for baking cakes and casseroles, and cleanup is a breeze. Number 4. Ultra Cuisine Nonstick Square Cake Pan 8x8. Introducing our 8x8-inch square cake pan, designed for your convenience. Enjoy perfect baking results with minimal effort and cleanup. Tired of cake sticking? Our unique textured surface ensures your baked goods pop right out, every time. No more spraying or scraping needed. Crafted from durable, heavy-duty steel, this pan is warp and rust-resistant. Its food-safe, non-stick coating is also scratch and corrosion-proof, ensuring a lifetime of baking. Achieve consistently perfect bakes with our diamond-textured surface. It distributes heat evenly, preventing burnt bottoms and ensuring delicious results. From a small business in Colorado, USA, we bring you professional quality bakeware. This essential pan is perfect for creating sweet and savory treats for your loved ones. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. Hand wash this pan with ease, or use baking mats for even quicker cleanup. What we like. Achieve perfect bakes every time with its superior non-stick coating and textured surface. Food releases effortlessly, and heat is distributed evenly for no burnt bottoms. If you're a home baker who values consistent results and easy cleanup, this is the pan for you. What people say. These pans are sturdy and hold their shape well, even when filled with heavy ingredients. The lids fit snugly, preventing spills and keeping food fresh. They are great for baking, roasting, and storing leftovers. Number 3. Boxiki Kitchen 8x8 Nonstick Square Baking Pan. Introducing our premium nonstick square baking pan. Its heavy-gauge steel ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals every time. This versatile pan is ideal for a wide range of recipes, from cakes to casseroles. Enjoy consistent results with every use. Designed with your comfort in mind, it features wide handles with secure, textured silicone grips. You can easily handle it, even with oven mitts on. The high-quality non-stick surface makes food release a breeze, minimizing mess and cleanup. It's also dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. Crafted from durable steel, this 8x8-inch pan is built to last. Cleaning up after baking has never been easier. We're so confident in its quality that we offer a 90-day warranty. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, or your money back. What we like. Designed for comfort and ease, this pan features wide, ergonomic handles for a secure grip, even with oven mitts. Its non-stick surface and even heating ensure great results. If you prioritize safety and convenience in your baking routine, this pan offers a comfortable and reliable experience. What people say. These pans are sturdy and hold their shape well, even when filled with heavy ingredients. The lids fit snugly, preventing spills during transport and keeping food fresh. They are great for baking cakes, casseroles, and other dishes, and cleanup is a breeze since they are disposable. Number 2. Stock your home 9x13 disposable baking pan with lid, 10-pack. Experience even baking in a perfect golden crust every time. Our heavy-duty aluminum construction ensures high heat conductivity for delicious results. These clear plastic lids snap on securely, protecting your food and making transport a breeze. Beautifully showcase your creations with their transparent design. Prepare meals ahead of time and store them in the freezer. Cook and serve directly from the pan, then simply toss it when you're done for no cleanup. These disposable pans are perfect for baking cakes, brownies, lasagna, and more. They are ideal for parties, catering, family gatherings, and picnics. Get a great value with this pack of 10 half-size pans and lids. Perfect for stocking up your kitchen for all your baking needs. What we like? This option offers a beautiful presentation with its clear dome lids, perfect for showcasing your baked goods. The heavy-duty aluminum ensures even baking, and they are ideal for transport and storage. If you're looking for pans that are both functional for baking and attractive for serving or gifting, these are an excellent pick. What people say. These pans are sturdy and don't bend or leak. The pans are a good size for small cakes or casseroles. They are easy to clean up after use. Number 1. Stock your home disposable foil pans with lids, set of 40. Get a complete set of 40 disposable aluminum pans with lids. This variety pack includes 29x13 pans, 10 8x8 pans, and 10 1-pound pans. They are perfect for holiday meals and gatherings. Our heavy-duty aluminum trays offer excellent heat conductivity. This ensures your food is cooked to a delicious, golden perfection every time. Keep your food fresh and secure during transport. These pans are ideal for catering, takeout, and delivery services. Prepare your meals in advance and store them easily in the fridge. When you're ready to cook, simply heat them up. Best of all, cleanup is a breeze, just toss them when you're done. These versatile aluminum pans are perfect for baking a wide range of dishes. From sheet cakes and brownies to lasagna and casseroles, they handle it all. What we like? This set is perfect for tackling all your holiday baking needs with its variety of sizes. The heavy-duty aluminum ensures great results, and the included lids make transport a breeze. If you're preparing for multiple holiday meals or need a range of pan sizes for different recipes, this all-inclusive pack is incredibly practical. What people say. These pans are sturdy and do not leak. The pans are a good size for small batches of cookies or brownies. They are easy to clean up after use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.